In this video, we are going to discuss about branching instructions in 8085 microprocessor. Up to now, we discussed so many instruction sets like data transfer instructions and arithmetic instructions and logical instructions. In this class, especially we are going to discuss branching type instructions which will provide a control on program execution. So, we are having three types of branching instructions like jump instructions. So, the program control will jump to another location, that means for example, initially we are having program counter value like this. So, program counter value, for example, if you are having at 4000 location. So, that means the next instruction that is going to execute, so that will be hold in program counter. That program counter value is for example 4000. Then when you got call instruction, call 8500, for example, if you got call instruction 8050, that means 8050H. For example, call 8050, if you are calling this location, your program counter then holds this address. That means this address is going to jump into program counter. That program counter is going to jump into that location. So, here then your program counter is going to hold 8050H, then definitely the next instruction that is going to fetch is from 8050 location. Like that, you are having similar instruction like call type instructions. So, similar to this, you are having call and return. When you call this address, then you need to return that address. Again return into the your ISR, interrupt service routine. So, for example, if you are doing any fetch and execute instructions, then for example, in this place you got an interrupt and your interrupt is doing some process. So, after doing that process, after completion of that process, again you need to shift into the same route where you started. So, that is called as ISR. This ISR stands for interrupt routine, interrupt service routine. So, here to get into same interrupt service routine, if you applied call instruction, definitely you require return instruction. So, here all these three related to branching instructions that we will discuss from next class onwards. One by one we will discuss clearly what are jump instructions, what are meant by call instructions, how many call instructions are there and problems related to call, and coming to return. So, return instruction and related problems we will discuss in next class onwards. All these three we will discuss one by one.